What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Time for day 2 or 3 with John. Today we're going to be mocking up the side skirts again. Going to be adjusting as we need it because we only want to spray this one time. Also mocking up the D-Max guards one more time. John's also going to be fixing all the imperfections on the BN kit as well. As you can see, we got quite a bit on the front bumper, and then in terms of the rear, not too much, but we want to do this to the best of our abilities. As of right now, I'm going to go ahead and mock up the side skirt, see where it needs to be trimmed so we can mark it and cut it. Paint is looking amazing as well. And it has been a while. Yeah, all the bolts should be there.
Yeah, they're all there. We're all good to go.
Missed this bay too. Dang, has been a minute. I forgot what my bay looked like. Cool, so let's go ahead and get this project started. So, John and I managed to get one of these side skirts on. Kind of fighting us with the D-Max front guard, but I think after maybe a little bit trimming on like the edges here, it'll fit better. Especially here.
We could sand those edges, and we could always do like a black silicone to kind of make that gap a little bit.
Right, I'm with it. I mean, that's exactly where I want it to sit too. It's not like, it's low, but
that's decent.
All right, so we're gonna have to hollow out all the OEM bolt holes. I was almost there, but just slightly off. That's a project to do. Now we're gonna test fit the front bumper to see where it's going to sit. You know, hopefully it's good, because then I gotta line these up too accordingly.
Cool. Let's do it.
Yeah, I gotta clean up the bottom too where the intercooler shows. It's not straight, but damn, dude. Now we're gonna go ahead and mock up the rear bumper. Pretty easy. Again, we do utilize this part. All right, got the rear bumper on. Car is pretty much assembled at this point, other than the wing. Sweet, that's sits low enough where I think I will be a-okay to drive. Hopefully get on my driveway. So car is back to stock. Tomorrow John is going to mess around with the rest of the kit. At this time we're gonna go check out the paint John composed. There's that potion.
It's a little jumbled up right now.
Damn. That looks killer.
Yep, I got everything documented, how much pearls we added. So, we got 15 grams of the clear binder, 9, and then another 10 grams of the 13, and then 9 plus another 9 of the 34, which is also the blue. And I got 9 grams of the crystal white.
Nice. So we were on a little bit of a time crunch today. So tomorrow we are going to be fixing up the kit while John is working. I'll probably stop by in the early afternoon or evening to help him and of course document it. Oh, it's been so long since I've heard you. It is the next couple of days. we didn't have time, John and I, to link up the past couple of days to work on the Skyline. We've been both very busy, of course, with our main jobs. But today I do plan on taking the Skyline home. So today's objective is to spray as much of the kit as we can. I told John if we can at least get the front guards painted and installed, that would be good enough for me. And then another day I'll go ahead and pick up the rest of the BN Sports kit. Also today we're going to be putting back the door handles and the window trim, and also doing some mock-up and more cutting of the BN Sports kit, because like I mentioned in the last clip, pretty much generally the whole kit needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to be bringing some of my arsenal, got the Dremel bits, bringing my drills, and also I had some time for Joe and I polished up and cleaned the Rezacs very well. So well that I almost don't want to get rid of them, but again, on the Prelude I'm not going as aggressive. So if you're local in Tucson, Arizona, I also rebuild and repolish lips. We got the goods. Hey. Mushy mushy. Ah, look how small the Skyline is compared to the truck. Trucks, plural. I want this so bad, the Cummins. Back at the shop. Welcome back, John. All right, how do we do this again? You pull down? Oh, there we go. So John got a new, what, 5-inch, right? Look at this lineup. It's crazy. The Skyline is so small compared to John's Mega Cab and Warren's Ram. So I went ahead and cleaned the mirrors, kind of half-assed. I'm just trying to get as much of the dirt in here as I possibly can since the moldings are out. Today we are going to be painting the mirrors and again mocking up the front guards and trimming them accordingly so we can take the Skyline home, I guess, legally. Also painting the door handles today, and I'm gonna pick up the BN Sports kit probably sometime early next week. Small updates, so I got all of the window moldings back on. These are pretty easy. There's actually one small bolt that holds on the molding, and then of course a surplus of clips for the, I guess, say rear end. There's a small bolt here, 2 small bolts up here, and then the rest are clips. They're looking pretty good. Now that I have the knowledge, I think in time on my own, I will wet sand these and then see if I can get them black again, even though it's more of a, say, strip, that adhesive that goes over the chrome there. But the Skyline is looking more and more complete. Got the paint mix ready for the door handles. Look at these little girls. Oh shit. All right, that's essential. We got the door handles. So we got 5 coats of base and 3 coats of clear. Right now we're gonna let them bake for 5 minutes and they'll be ready for assembling. Okay, so John and I are gonna call it a day today. So we got the stock mirrors back on. We got the door handles on without the locking mechanism. I just gotta make sure I don't roll up this window or I'm screwed. But these came out great. Gas door as well. Again, thank you, John, so much. We gotta figure out the locking mechanism here too, to the trunk. We were missing the circlip that goes on it, but that's all right. And again, this side came out amazing. Again, I'm going to handle that. Waiting for John's body guide because he has all the memory from taking it off. But Skyline looks amazing. It's my first time seeing it in the sun, dude. I'm stoked. And then later on, mid next week, we're gonna give it a nice cut and buff. I'll take it home, give it over a nice 1-step polish, and then I will be ceramic coating the whole car. First time seeing the Skyline in the sun. Camera does not do justice. The car is super dusty. Still needs that cut and buff, but Damn, good work, John. Dude, that's crazy. Holy crap. Like literally after that cut and buff, it's gonna be insane. Dude, good work, John. Thank you so much. So sorry about the wind noise right now, but John and I were having fun going home and his muffler came off in the street.
The whole dump.
The whole dump. It's right over there. There she is.
That's it right there.
That whole thing just
the whole dump came
swerved right off, and I evaded that so quickly. The Skyline is finally home after, I don't know, almost a month, maybe a little over a month. Seriously, pictures do not do justice for John's work. And again, it's super dark in here too. But to those who, again, are local and see the Skyline, you will be amazed, speechless. This car just shimmers, like legit shimmers. It's so glossy, so glittery, and everything just came out amazing. Definitely, for sure, maybe going back, well, for sure going back on Monday, a couple days from now, when Zach is back, their body shop guy. He's gonna help us, I would say, readjust all the door handles, the kind of mechanisms that go inside the latches, since he has more information about that. Gannon doors will get done Monday, as well as the rest of the kit. Hopefully I am just shooting to have the Gannon doors and the front guards painted and mocked up to the car. But Skyline is driving amazing, but Monday is the day we finish everything up. Everything is color matched so well. Again, it's dark. I'm so happy with the results of this paint, but as of right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the interior, clean the bay, wipe it down, wipe down the interior. In terms of the door cards, I'm just gonna keep those clean and keep them off so it's easier for Zach. And also I'm gonna take all the dust covers off and order some Dynomat so we can get this all nice and insulated. But the car exterior is amazing and drives amazing. I missed it so much. So that's going to conclude this portion of the video. Thank you everybody so very much for your continuous love and support and all the positive feedback on the Skylines paint. Hit up John if you are local. Of course, please go through me first. He is actually booked now until I think a little past next year's summer. Trying to give him as much clientele as he wants and that he needs. He's got goals he wants to accomplish too. And again, come Monday, we should have the exterior finished to near finished, and I cannot wait. But thank you everybody for watching. Remember, aim high, drive low. We'll catch you next video. Take care.